Checking out part 4, solubility. We're going to look at two lipid molecules. The first one is vegetable oil. The second one is cottonseed oil. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some test tubes. We are going to add 4 milliliters of vegetable oil to one. To that same test tube, we are going to add 4 milliliters of water. Let's note the test tube before we do anything. I even could give it a stir. Just mixing a little bit to show you that the two layers are completely separate. The oil layer is on top of the water layer. Let's check out cottonseed oil, just like we did before. 4 milliliters of cottonseed oil. To this 4 milliliters, we're going to add 4 milliliters of water. Again, make sure you note your observations on your data sheet for the before. We'll give it a mix. Again, the two layers are separate. You can see the oil layer on top and the water layer on the bottom. Now we're going to do to each of these, we're going to add 4 milliliters of a 10% sodium carbonate solution. We'll check out vegetable oil first. Let's give it a mix. You can see that the top layer has turned a very white color. We have a clear layer on the bottom. Let's take a look at the before. On your left, you will see the before test tube. On the right, you see the after test tube. Make sure to note your observations. Now we're going to check out the cottonseed oil. We'll take our original sample. Here comes the 4 milliliters of a 10% sodium carbonate solution. Let's mix this. We have a white layer on top and a clear layer on the bottom. Let's take a look at the before and after. On your left, you can see the before. On the right, you could see the after. Make sure to note your observations before and after we added the sodium carbonate, and make sure to answer question 4C, what do we have in the body that emulsifies lipids, changing them into micro droplets? I'll see you in video 5.